So if you want a Royal Enfield but you don't want a Royal Enfield,
क्या बोला तूने?
then this bike is for you. So guys, this is the Royal Enfield Hunter 350. और मैंने स्टार्ट में ऐसा क्यों बोला, I'll tell you while riding.
समझ गया.
But before that, let's look at its specifications. Weighing only 180 kilograms, this bike's height is 790 millimeter, and also इसका जो wheelbase है that is 20 millimeter shorter than the classic 350. I'll tell you its advantage while riding the bike. और इसका एग्जॉस्ट भी देख लो. एग्जॉस्ट नोट is slightly different from the others. Rear tire is quite big, but only the downside is you get the 17 inches on this one. And the front tire is 100, so pretty fat tires for this bike. You get the teardrop shaped fuel tank with the capacity of 13 liters. और इसका जो इंजन है that is same as the Meteor, 349cc, air cooled, single cylinder, which produces 20.1 bhp and 27 newton meters of torque, but it is slightly tuned different for this bike. तो बात करें इसके switches की, you get the rotary ones similar to the Meteor and the classic everything, hazard lamps and the pass light buttons, the indicators and also the horn. This button can be used to change the trip meters. Also you get a charger port standard across all the variants. By the way, this is the retro variant, and the mudguard, it's an aftermarket thought. Also the auxiliary lights. So let's hop on this bike and we'll discuss the further things. So what I like about this bike is that it's got a pretty good sitting posture, just like the quite resembles the Interceptor 650. काफ़ी resemble करता है. And for exhaust note, I don't think you would be able to hear it properly due to the wind noise. But wow, this bike is quite cooling and still has ample amount of torque in the reserve. Yeah, I would say it's pretty good bike. Yeah, so I was saying that कि ये Royal Enfield भी है और ये Royal Enfield नहीं भी है. The reason behind this is that Royal Enfields, mostly known for its classic 350s, these bikes are, quite slower to response, and that's not the fault, क्योंकि वो जो बाइक जिस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बनाई है, they are meant to respond slowly. But this bike, जैसे कि मैंने बोला, इसका 20 मिलीमीटर का व्हील बेस शॉर्ट है, and the type of engine that this bike gets, you can pretty easily maneuver the corners और काफ़ी स्विफ्टली निकल जाती है बाइक कंपेयर टू द क्लासिक एंड द मीटियोर. मीटियोर ऑब्वियसली एक परफेक्ट टूरिंग बाइक, क्रूजिंग बाइक, क्रूजर बोल सकता हूँ मैं. बट दिस बाइक इज एक्चुअली मेंट फॉर मल्टीपर्पजेस. तो मल्टीपर्पजेस ये है कि यू कैन राइड इट इन सिटी विदाउट गेटिंग फटीग, क्योंकि इसका जो सिटिंग पोस्चर है दैट इज़ वेरी गुड. एंड ऑल्सो यू कैन राइड इट ऑन द हाईवेज. आई डोंट रियली नो हाउ टू क्लासीफाई दिस बाइक, whether it will come in the cruiser section or the naked section, or I don't know, or the scram section, because this bike is a bit of all things. क्योंकि इसका इंजन जो है दैट इज टॉर्की इंजन ऑन द नेकेड बाइक. सो आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू से, बट दिस बाइक एंड दिस इंजन इज प्रीटी वेल रिफाइंड. Easily reaches 100 and it holds pretty good between the 80 to 100 speed. Like बाइक का पूरा दम निकला जा रहा है ऐसा कुछ फील नहीं होता है while riding this bike. And it is also very nimble and it is very quick. कॉर्नरिंग की बात की जाए, यू गेट द वाइडर टायर्स हेल्पिंग यू टू कॉर्नर विथ कॉन्फिडेंस, और आई एम प्रीटी इम्प्रेस्ड विथ दिस बाइक. सो जिनको रॉयल एनफील्ड पसंद है, लाइक दोज हु आर द हार्डकोर क्लासिक 350 fans, or I'd say bullet fans, they won't like this bike because this doesn't feel like a Royal Enfield. But if you want a trusted brand and you want a modern motorcycle which you can literally use anywhere, I'm saying anywhere, then you can go for this bike. Cons की बात की जाए तो while shifting, I realized the clutch is very hard from the company side. Like, this is not the owner's fault. And the gear shifting from 4th to 3rd, it's sometimes not good. अटक जाता है gear बीच में. Third thing I would like to say, no indicators, nothing. वाह दीदी वाह. So what I was saying कि third thing which I didn't like about this bike is that the fit and finish जो है इसका थोड़ा सा मार खा जाता है, and you don't even get the tripper meter in this top variant. This is the top variant. Good things, you get the dual channel ABS, you get the alloys, tubeless tires, good C8 tires which are wide. The bike is lightweight, seat height is less, so it can be accessed by a wider audience or wider range of bikers. और downside मैंने अभी बता दिया. So this was all about this Hunter 350. बाकी का मैं बोलूँगा. As I said in the previous video, please do not use the hazard lights while riding, and use the auxiliary lights only when required. So this was it about the Hunter. कैसा लगा वीडियो? Please do let me know in the comment section, and do watch other Royal Enfield bikes reviews on my channel, and please wear a helmet while riding. So this was it, and I'll see you in the next video. Till that, bye bye.